Your mornings are about to get super exciting with this unicorn banana bread. I'm talking about lots and lots of sprinkles. This tender quick bread is jam-packed full of banana flavor and as usual is super quick and easy to prepare. So let's get started. Add a cup of sugar to your bowl with a half a stick of butter. Go ahead and cream them together until they're all combined. Then mix in the 2 eggs. Once it's all combined in there, add 3 ripe bananas one by one. This can all be done by hand too if you wanted to. It's such an easy recipe. Finish it up by adding the dry ingredients, some flour, baking soda, and salt. Now at this point, you want to be very careful and don't overmix it. So take a rubber spatula, incorporate it in slowly by hand. Once you can no longer almost see the flour, add the sprinkles. And to bake this, you guys, you have 2 choices. If you want it to be done fairly quickly, add it to 2 greased and floured loaf pans and bake it for about 40 minutes. Or if you wanted a larger loaf, you're going to add it to 1 pan and bake it for about 1 hour and 10 minutes. Be sure that it doesn't brown too dark. Cover it halfway through with a foil-shaped tent, and once it's ready, it just wouldn't be complete without a drizzle of some frosting and a few more sprinkles. This banana bread, you guys, really changes the game. The sprinkles add a slightly vanilla cake batter taste in addition to the caramelization from the bananas around the edges of the bread. It'll just bring joy to anybody who tries a piece. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.